how to set up and provision install trackers on your mobile device. This is using iOS. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my email. You can also do with a phone number as well. Once you're logged in, you need to make sure that you have the right permissions to set up and install assets. If you don't, you can contact your system administrator for Ribbiot and you can get those permissions. Okay, so now you can see that you have scheduling forms. You can go through settings as well. But for now, we're going to focus on assets. And within the asset tab, I'm going to specifically show you how to create a new asset. So up here at the top, we can create a new asset. And we can go in and add any information about this asset right now. The most important thing you need is a name. Without a name, it won't save. So I'm going to do this as a super cool block. And you can go through, add a type. So we know this is a block. You can add it to a category if you've got categories set up, which I don't right now. And you can add a manufacturer. Let's just say this is an American block. You can add any other information that you would like. If you know the type of tracker you're using, like say a pod or a portal, you can add that information here. Just hypothetically, we're going to say this is a pod using the industrial mount. Now we're going to create that asset. That's the button down here at the bottom. After that asset is created, now we can have the option to provision a tracker or link a tracker to this device or to this asset. So once we hit provision, it's going to want us to scan the tracker with our phone. So what we do is we touch the top left of the phone to the frog on the tracker. Going to do an NFC scan. We're going to exchange the tracker ID and some information so that we can link that super cool block with that tracker. Now that we have that linked, we can get the location of that asset in here. You can see the location as well as all the tracker information we put in previously. So we are done. We've linked a tracker to an asset. We've created it. We can go ahead and go back and see our full asset list. And we can go ahead and find that. This is a super cool block. And there it is. If you want to add photos to your asset, you can go and find your asset in the list. Click on it. Go up and hit edit. Now you can edit any information you want about it. And specifically, you can add photos. So you can click this, you can pick a picture from your library or the camera. For now, I'm just going to pick from my library and I'm going to add this cool picture right here. Hit add and hit save. Now I've got a picture. It's saving on the back end. If I go back and look at it, there it is, it's saved. So I can pull this up and now I've got a picture on that asset. Thank you. Enjoy your assets.